Train, it's going. It's a slow train.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Cape to Caro Express. Here at Brevard Zoo, our mission statement is conservation through education and participation. You guys are all doing that right now. A portion of your tickets or memberships go towards one of our many conservation efforts. We have a giraffe conservation in Africa, a jaguar conservation in South and Central America, and a scrub jay and sea turtle conservation right here in our very own state of Florida. Over on the right-hand side, behind this tall wooden fence, is something not a lot of people come to the zoo to see, but they are the backbone of our zoo, and that's going to be our maintenance department. There's nothing they haven't built, rebuilt, or torn down for us. Over on the left-hand side, it's going to be our two-sided pre-placed aviary. That is located at the end of the Lands of Change loop, but we will talk more about that on the return trip. Just a reminder to keep all of our hands, legs, arms, all body parts inside the train. We will be going through an open animal yard.
That's the back
Coming
part
up
of
on
the
the
butterfly
left-hand
garden.
side on the ground, in between these four trees,
Butterfly
there are
garden.
going to be some very large eggs.
Oh, look at the eggs.
I want everybody to think about what kind of eggs they are, and on the return trip,
Ostrich.
I'll take all your guesses.
Maybe emu? Either ostrich or emu. Squirrel. Yeah, cool. Over at Green Meadows, they had the gas-powered train. Oh, look over there, guys! Look. Oh, I see it. Cool.
Over on the right-hand side, on the fence that's in the back, is going to be one of our bongos. The bongos are actually an antelope, and they are the largest forest antelope.
Yeah. You got a good seat, so you see all the fish down there. Yeah, I can get good video of it. They're making a nest. You see them putting the fish in the nest. Oh, look at the camels are fighting. Uh-oh. Oh, look over there, baby girl. Look at the camels. Look, it's right there. That's a big camel. There it is. Oh my goodness. Look at how big it is. And it just spits on us. Did you say hi? It's all hi. I've seen camels spit at people. You like camels? It's a big camel. He was like right there. Look at me and smile. You getting any pictures or just video? I'm just getting video. Sometimes they harvest their fur, make clothes and blankets out of it. Yeah, it kind of looks like wool. Oh, he won't leave. He's on the front of the train tracks. Oh no. He's refusing to go. This is a good timing. I know, and I got video of it too. There's a crocodile skull over there. Oh, I see it.
Guys, so we're just gonna wait a minute so that our camel Sammy can actually move off of the train track.
Hi, Sammy.
Sammy is the one that's directly in front of us, and then that's Frankie over on the left-hand side.
You saying hi to Frankie? Hi, Frankie.
And they are both dromedary camels, so that means they have one hump. And then there are another type of camel called Bactrian camels that we don't have in our zoo. And they have two humps.
smiling for the camera.
He's trying to get some of the leaves.
Oh, I can't see him anymore.
I don't mind because we get more from many on the tree.
Camels can actually store fat in their humps. They can store up to about 80 pounds of fat.
That sounds like me.
And me.
He's just gonna sit.
They'll use that fat as energy in the wild when they don't have any food or water.
Just take it his time.
And they can actually walk about 100 miles in the desert using that stored fat. Or they can also go about 10 days off that stored fat without any food or water.
Did you see the camel? Look right next to you. That's huge. Is that crazy?
Sammy's just giving us the look.
Does this happen a lot?
Typically, if anybody's blocking the train, it is the camels. So thank you guys for bearing with me. Sammy is just taking his time eating on that tree.
Can I sit in my lap? Hi, Frankie.
There he goes.
Thank you guys for waiting with me. I'm sorry about that.
Sammy!
Oh no, he's coming.
Oh no! Oh, he's going.
Zebras, guys.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that's super cool. Look at that zebra.
See the
Sammy!
Look, Caroline. Hi, Sammy. Look, there's a
Sammy!
We do have a couple of our zebras on the right-hand side coming up. We have 3 female
Whoa.
zebras and a male.
Oh, look at that!
Look,
Zebras!
Zebras.
Look at the zebras!
Look over here.
On the left-hand side, you're going to see 3 of our Watusi cattle.
Oh, look at that! I've
And then
seen
on the
those
right-hand
birds.
side, you're going to see a
They're
really
type of stork.
cool-looking bird.
Like
His name
a
is
type of
Pheasant,
stork
and
I've
he's
seen
a
him
marabou
before.
stork. So the Watusi cattle on the left-hand side, believe it or not, they're not done growing. Their horns are going to get so much more larger than that. And they can actually take blood from their horns and send it to their bodies to cool down. And they do that by when their blood is in their horns, the heat actually dissolves into the atmosphere, cooling the blood. So they take the cool blood and then send it to their bodies to cool down. And they were once known as king's cattle, and that's because the more cattle you had, the wealthier you were.
You see any more animals? That was cool where that posted the camel.
And the stork.
No, you can't go over there. Stay in here.
So we will be passing by Fezzik, our marabou stork again. You guys probably noticed that he's got a really large neck sack, and that is called his gular sack. And he'll actually pump his gular sack up with air when he's trying to woo one of the ladies. If the lady likes him back, she has a tiny gular sack that she'll puff back. And you'll notice that he looks like he's got black feathers, but at the right angle as we pass by, you can see he's a cool iridescent green color.
Ooh, I see.
And the marabou
Like a bluish
storks,
green.
their wingspan can actually reach about 12 feet in width.
Oh, there we go. Another angle for the zebras. There's Sammy.
Hi, zebras.
Our 3
Zebras.
lady zebras on our right. All of the zebras
Sammy.
are fluffy zebras.
Beautiful.
It's Sammy.
They're actually the largest zebra species.
Sammy.
Oh, come on, Frankie.
Oh. No, Frankie's in the way. No, Frankie's in the way. Oh, he's looking right at us. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's going.
All right, he's going to be passing by
Frankie!
pretty close to us, so just keep your arms inside the train.
Oh my gosh, it's like right there. Oh my
Frankie is
gosh.
a little less stubborn, and he will actually move off the track sometimes without being lured by food.
Mark, you see the fish in the water?
This is a good experience. And I got it all on video too.
Marky, you see the fish? Okay.
We are going to be crossing those large eggs. They're going to be on our right-hand side this time. So if anybody wants to scream their guesses out loud, you go ahead on the count
Probably
of 3.
ostrich.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Awesome. I heard a lot of very great guesses. And they are ostrich eggs. They are actually laid by our very own ostrich, Wendy. You can find her usually in the giraffe yard over in our Africa Loop.